Hello, my name is Kelly and I'm a product trainer for DocuSign University. Today I'm here to show you how you can customize your user's experience in CLM using personas. Personas are a CLM-specific feature that allows you to customize the way your users see and interact with CLM. Though they are created from groups, personas are different from groups in that group security is more granular and controls the documents and folder access users see in CLM. Persona security is more high level and controls which actions a user can take, such as generating a new document, downloading or uploading, or sending a document out for signature directly from CLM. In order to work with personas, you need to have at least one group in your CLM account. Personas are not added directly into CLM, but they are created each time a group is created. You can use DocuSign Admin to add the group. For today's training, I will work with a group called Sales. Since I have one group created in my account, I now have one persona created in CLM. To utilize this persona, I must add any users requiring access to the persona by going to Admin, their user profile, and setting their persona from their profile page. Here I will set the sales persona for this user. It's important to distinguish that although users can be added to multiple groups, they can only belong to one persona at a time, since they can only view the interface in one way. To customize the view for the persona, I will navigate to the Navigation and Action section inside of the CLM admin settings. I will choose the persona in the list and what I want to customize. Under What are you customizing, the options are User Navigation Header, which is the options along the top of the page, Document Management Actions, which are any of the actions found on the Search, Document Preview, or Dashboard pages, Violet, which is an older widget for Salesforce, Browse Document Actions, which is any of the actions related to the documents found on the Documents page, and CLM's Files, which is the newest version of this Salesforce widget that displays CLM stored content directly in Salesforce. For demonstration purposes, I will select User Navigation Header. The Pages tab controls which pages they see across the top of the page. Actions menu controls which actions they see in the Actions dropdown. And then the Help menu controls which custom help menu actions they can see. To customize the sales persona experience, I will first make the dashboard the home page. I will also turn off the Tasks tab and the Parties tab, and enable the Contacts tab. This is just to show as an example what can be customized on a persona. There are other things you can do as well. Now, I will flip to the Actions menu and create a new action. The action name will be Create Contract. What should this action do? It will open a document generation configuration. I'll select Create Contract, and then open this action in, I'll select New Window/Tab, and then click Save. Now I will need to turn on this action, but for this persona only, and then click Save. Now using an incognito window, I've logged in as this user to verify what they see. As soon as I logged in and switched over to CLM, I land on my dashboard page, since this is now the home page, whereas previously it was Documents. And I can only see Dashboard, Documents, Reports, and Contacts, as well as Actions. Tasks and Personas remain hidden to me. Lastly, I can click Actions and see that I have access to the Create Contract action previously created by the admin. I can now confirm that my experience has been updated based on the persona updates. And that's it. You now know how to quickly and easily customize your user's experience using personas. I hope you've enjoyed this quick lesson today, and be sure to check out more content like this out on the DocuSign University Learning Portal. Bye.